Hello and welcome to the Georgia Perimeter College Libraries. This tutorial will show you how to use the database Gvrl Virtual Reference Library, which offers print reference titles in a database format, primarily pertaining to literary research. A few things to remember about Gvrl Virtual Reference Library. You must have the Galileo password to access it when you're not on campus. You may also need your GPC username and password to access Gvrl Virtual Reference Library when off campus. This is the same username and password you use for iCollege. Let's try a search in this database. Go to the library homepage, www.gpc.edu/library. Click on Galileo. Click on Databases A through Z. Then click on G. Scroll down and click on Gvrl Virtual Reference Library. This is Gvrl Virtual Reference Library. This screen allows you to perform a basic search by document title, keyword, entire document, or subject. You also may select the Subject Guide Search link to search by subject, or the Advanced Search link to perform an advanced search. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will perform a basic search. In this example, we are looking for information about William Faulkner. Select Subject and type in William Faulkner. Click Search. Notice the list of results. All of these results refer to a specific work by William Faulkner. Additionally, if you are familiar with citations, you will notice that these results are all from reference books. The library carries many of these books in hard copy. If you are interested in viewing the physical version of a book, please ask a librarian. Notice the column to the left. You may search for specific keywords by typing terms into the search box and clicking Go. Additionally, underneath the search box, you have a list of document types by which you may sort your results. You can pull up the document by clicking on the title, which is underlined and in blue. If you are interested in viewing more information about the source, click on the title of the book, which is blue and italicized. When you click on the source, notice the links above. By clicking on the E table of contents, you will pull up a hyperlinked table of contents. Clicking on the links will take you to each section of the publication. You may also click on the square with the plus sign, which will expand into a list of works discussed in this publication. From here, you can click on a title and view the electronic version of that section of the book. For example, clicking on The Bear directs me to the essays in this publication that discuss William Faulkner's story, The Bear. I want to point out the eBook Index link. Clicking on this link directs you to a list of subjects or themes and the work which illustrates the subjects or themes. Additionally, you will see links to instances of this theme in this work. For example, I would like to learn more about abandonment in Great Expectations. So, under Abandonment, next to Great Expectations, I click on 4:90 through 91. This number refers to the volume number of the series and the page number where I would find the theme discussed. If I were to go to the reference shelf in the physical library, pull Volume 4 of Novels for Students, and go to page 90, I would be able to read about the theme abandonment in Great Expectations on this page. Additionally, the text would be the same as on my computer screen in Gvrl Virtual Reference Library. Back to our list of results. Again, you will notice that each result refers to a work by William Faulkner. You may click on the title to pull up that document which discusses that piece by William Faulkner. For example, clicking on the title, A Rose for Emily, links to the section about that story. The information you see here is the same as it would be if you were to look at the physical version of the section about A Rose for Emily in Short Stories for Students. I would like to point out a few items on this page. Here you have your publication information. You may need this information for your citation. Here you have your tools. In this area, you can view the PDF of the document, print, email, or download the document, and download an MP3 to listen to the document. Below are links to various areas of the document. If, for instance, I am particularly interested in the historical context of A Rose for Emily, I can click on Historical Context and will then jump to that section of this document. Finally, notice the column to your left. Here you can search the document for specific words by typing them in the search box and clicking Go. Underneath the search box, you should see a list of subjects that have to do with your topic, which is now A Rose for Emily by William Faulkner. Clicking on one of these topics will lead you to a list of results about that topic. For example, if I click on Interpersonal Relations, I am directed to a list of results that have to do with interpersonal relations in literature. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. For more information about the library and how to use the library resources, please view the collection of video tutorials located at www.gpc.edu/library/usethelibrary.htm. Remember, you can always contact a librarian by going to www.gpc.edu/library and clicking on Ask a Librarian.